Yeah. Greetings, fellow Bantam owners. Here's a little something that might amuse you. I bought me a Bantam made by BSA. It's a very good bike, or so people say. I turned on the petrol and tickled the car. Then I kicked and I kicked, but the damn thing won't start. When it comes to two strokes, now I ain't no mug. I've got out my spanner and I whipped out the plug. I checked at the plug for the elusive spark. Then I kicked and I kicked, but the damn thing won't start. I went to the dealers to get me some bits. The man in the shop assured me they'd fit. I stripped down the engine to fit the new part. Then I kicked and I kicked, but the damn thing won't start. Now I fitted new brake shoes, cause the brakes they were shite. I fitted new shocks and a new rear light. Then I polished it all till it looked real smart. Then I kicked and I kicked, but the damn thing won't start. I'm feeling depressed and I'm feeling quite down, so I drowned all my sorrows in the old Rose and Crown. I walked in the garage as pissed as a fart, and I kicked 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 and I kicked, but the damn thing won't start. Now the tale of the Bantam has come to an end. I got it all fixed by a very good friend. Yes, me and that Bantam, we get on just fine. I give it a kick and it starts every time. Yes, I bought me a Bantam made by BSA. It's a very good bike, or so people say. And now that it's running, I have to agree that BSA Bantam's the bike for me. Oh, thank you.